Hello, another AQA A-Level Physics multi-choice question. If you click on the information card here, that'll take you to the playlist from this topic and you can try a different question. If you want to try this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer A, well done. If you didn't, here's my explanation. A circuit consists of a cell, a thermistor and a fixed resistor and two ammeters. The cell has a constant electromotive force and negligible internal resistance. Readings from the two ammeters are taken. Which row describes what happens to the current in each ammeter when the temperature of the thermistor decreases? Okay, so if the temperature decreases, the resistance of thermistors increases. If the resistance across this thermistor, if the resistance of the thermistor increases, then there's going to be less current going through that branch. So first of all, the current in A1 will reduce because of the increase in resistance through the resistor. Nothing's going to happen to the current, nothing's going to change in the current in this branch because the potential difference is going to remain the same, that resistance is going to remain the same, so A2, no change. So let's have a look. We've got decreases of A1, unchange in A2. The answer is A. If you thought this was useful and you want to see more videos, hit that subscribe button, share these videos with your friends and press the like button. Thank you very much for watching.